Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. We have a delicious rice dish which I'm sure you're going to love. We begin with a pan, medium to high heat, olive oil. We're going to toss into the oil now 3 chopped up garlic cloves, half a red onion chopped up, or if you prefer a white onion. I prefer a red onion, it gives a more sweeter taste. Now, we want to cook the onions for around 15 seconds, just to get them started caramelizing. We have now half a chicken breast chopped up into little pieces. Because the chicken breast is chopped up into little pieces, it's only going to take a couple of minutes to cook. Let's add 1 nice pinch of pepper and 3 nice pinches of salt. We're going to use mushrooms from a can, which are already cut. Let's toss in now around a handful of green peas, half of a red bell pepper chopped up into pieces. If you don't like green peas, you could use sweet corn, and it'll give this rice dish a much sweeter taste. And cook everything together now for a couple of seconds before we add the rice. Let's add the rice now, and it's pre-cooked. And let's give everything a really good stir. And finally, our last ingredient, 3 pieces of chive chopped up into little pieces. Give everything one last stir and you're ready to serve. This is a delicious, quick and easy dish to make, which you're going to love. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.